We become failure, we become sad, we become angry, we fall in anxiety. This all is because we don't know the art of being in opposite states. Sometimes we practice, we work hard, and then we again fail and again become sad and angry and fall in anxiety. This all is because we are working in wrong direction, wrong track. An example which my teacher often gives to me is that, let's say this is a A and this is a B. We are at point O, which is a center, and we want to go to A, what we are working and practicing in direction V. So how will you go there? So one thing I often say is that change the way you work, change the way you feel, because this is the solution of number of problems. But be sure, don't change the aim only because you are failure from last years. Once upon a time, Abdul Kalam said, read the stories of success because it will give you masses, and read the stories of failure because it will give you idea to become success. Success is not about achieving something practically, it is about achieving something mentally.